Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet valve in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/2 inch open-ended wrench, a 1/4 inch nut driver, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water inlet valve. This water inlet valve is located at the back of the refrigerator, mounted on the side of the cabinet. It supplies water on demand to the ice maker. If there's no water inside the ice maker, check and replace the water inlet valve if needed. Alright, so we're at the back of the fridge, and this is the water inlet valve we're going to replace. I'm going to start with removing this water inlet line, but make sure that you turn off the water. I'm going to put towel there, here right underneath of it. We might have some water dripping. And now, using the 1/2 inch open-ended wrench, I'm going to unscrew the water line. Okay, and we're going to put this away. And now I'm going to remove this towel. So now we're going to remove this rear access panel. I got a 1/4 inch nut driver. I'm going to take out these screws. And now I'm going to pull off this panel. Next, I'm going to remove this 2 1/4 inch screws using the 1/4 inch nut driver. I'm going to pull out the old valve. So now I'm going to unplug this the plug here. And now we need to take out the water tube from the valve. At this point, I would like to use the towel again. We might have some water in the tube. And to remove it, we're going to press down on this collar here. Push it in and pull out the tube. Okay. This is the old water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so this is our replacement valve, and I'm going to use the pliers and remove this cap. And we can dispose of it. Now, I'm going to insert this tube into this port. Push it in, and it's got to go all the way almost to this black line here. Like that. Next, I'm going to install this plug. Push it on. And we're going to place the valve on. And I'm going to use these 1/4 inch nut driver, a couple of 1/4 inch screws. I'm going to put it on and secure it. If you notice that I'm not tightening it up yet, I would like to install the bottom one first. And I'm going to tighten the upper one. Now I'm going to remove the towel. And now we can close the machine compartment. I'm going to install this rear access panel on. And I'm going to secure it with the screws. And that's a 1/4 inch, and I'm using the 1/4 inch nut driver. Now I'm going to connect the water inlet line. I'm going to tighten it with the 1/2 inch open-ended wrench. Plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. for any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.